Organized lies all over town.
Sick of it all, turning me in.
Yeah, it's Shane Moyer.
You are now listening to Sims Music.
Yeah, like a homeless guy, I'm ready for change. I wanna live my dreams, not the shit that's just the same. Average car, average wife, average home. Who wants to live an average life? Man, I do this cause I love it, but of course the feedback's great. Would love to not to worry about money, man, that'd be straight. That's why I'm working every day, jacked up on caffeine. But then I remember, man, I'm only 16. I got plenty time to make it, plenty time to perfect, plenty times to screw up, but no time to regret. I've been working hard my whole life to be up in the strobe lights. And if you're still hating on me, you really got no life. Just give me a chance, now really listen to me. You must be rapping for rapper, cause the tracks are really fruity. Toss in the doobie, my name should be Scooby. Eyes may be droopy, cause I've been working for these rubies and groupies at all my shows. And anything fucking goes, and people say that I blow. It's true, I'm blowing up. They say you'll never grow, won't be picked like Afro. People say they'll never come, but yo, they're showing up. Ain't never seen anybody do it like me. Switch my flow up like 1, 2, 3. Really, really want this, so please let me be. I'm heading to the top with this winning recipe, cause I make the crowd fucking scream like, yeah, hey. You'll make the crowd fucking scream like, oh wait, it's silent, hear the crickets. I got my show and I'm selling tickets. You at home while I'm rapping, I'm on stage while you fapping. Talking shit, you still don't know me. Going big, bigger than Kobe. You wasn't with me in the studio, bet you wasn't with me in the studio. It's true though, I've been working my ass off. I feel like I just been running in place, I ain't going nowhere. My time will come, I'm not worried, it's coming soon.